welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name is Richard, still sitting here with no pants and hopefully making plenty of profits. And you know, we don't have a lot of IPOs in the market nowadays because IPOs are weird, but what I love is I love the venture capital space, and now that the venture capital space is accessible to all via Sweater and also via the ARK Venture Fund. But today we're talking about Sweater, and we're going to talk about Sweater's newest investment. And I've looked at this very surface level, haven't really dug deep. I'm going to dig deep with you right now. I will tell you, it's something that's very attractive to me because I do have allergies, and specifically I do have allergies to cats. And being a single man in my mid-30s, looking for single women in their mid-30s, you know what they've got more of than anything else? Cats. So, you know, hopefully if something like this can fix my allergen to cats, I'm all for it, you know. I'm loving that. If you fix my allergen to cats, it opens up the dating pool a little bit. So let's take a look at Wyndly, and we're going to take a look at their announcement. We'll take a look at their investment. We're going to take a look at Wyndly's stuff, and Wyndly looks super duper new, which is actually awesome. So gives us a chance to really dive in. So let's jump here. So this is Sweater's announcement on their page for their new portco or portfolio company, Wyndly. Let's listen to, I think, Cash. Nice guy, talked to him a few times. I want to be very clear, I do not work for Sweater. I have some contacts in Sweater if I need something or need something done, but I'll tell you, Sweater's been awesome to even people who have no contacts, who've never talked to them before, friends who have gotten into Sweater and stuff like that. So I don't really have a bad word saying. It's the one account I can look at, not financial advice. It's the one account I can look at and know that I generally haven't lost money in. You can't say that for most accounts nowadays. But let's take a look at the investment into Wyndly and why Cash, or another principal on the team, Cash is actually the name of someone who works at Sweater, likes Wyndly.
My name is Cash Allred. I'm a principal at Sweater, and this is why we invested in Wyndly. Wyndly provides a convenient and affordable way to fix your allergies forever. Wyndly's doctors train your immune system to ignore its allergy triggers, and their telehealth platform provides 24/7 access to a doctor throughout the experience. Using clinically proven medications and telehealth, Wyndly is increasing access to allergy immunotherapy for the 50 million Americans suffering from severe allergies. We made our investment because we believe allergy treatment is ripe for disruption, that Wyndly offers the highest quality of care available, and that Manan and Akash are the right people for the job. Today, people who move or travel frequently, live in rural areas, hate needles, or feel tight on time want their allergies treated, but aren't willing to take the weekly trip to sit in an allergy clinic and get a shot. These are millions of people who have to change their lifestyles, put off getting a dog, and miss outdoor activities, all due to their allergies. With Wyndly, they finally have access to the care they've been seeking. Research published in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology show that sublingual immunotherapy and traditional allergy shots are equally effective in treating allergies. Even better, because sublingual therapy administers medication at a lower dose, they have a much lower risk of causing anaphylactic shock. Other telehealth competitors have entered the space as well, but Wyndly is the only one treating patients for multiple allergens at a time, offering total allergy relief right away and allergy cure years sooner. Co-founders Manan and Akash have the network and skills to build a specialty telehealth company accepted by the broader medical community. Manan is a former physician in residence at Maryland Venture Fund, a section chair at the American Academy of Otolaryngology, and the president of the Colorado ENT Society. Akash's experience in product and finance drives Wyndly's strategic approach to scale at an exciting pace. We are proud to deliver quality allergy care by having Wyndly in the Sweater portfolio.
So kind of interesting, something I haven't seen recently, as a lot of these companies Sweater's getting into are in the Colorado area. Nothing against that, but that's where they're based. So they're finding companies sooner because they're looking for local companies. They've got the Barn Burner coming up. It's February 2022 right now. 2023, sorry. So they've got the Barn Burner coming up. That's really going to get people from across the nation. But the last few of their investments have kind of been local, and I kind of like that. So we're going to go over whatever's here that wasn't in the video. They can provide a convenient and affordable way to fix your allergies forever. I am allergic to cats, chalk, and grass, but I don't really sit in grass that often, and I don't use a chalkboard that often. So realistically, cats, FDA-approved medicines, and telehealth. Now, I have a friend, burn him right now. I'm not going to mention his name. You know, he's been trying to get rid of my cat allergy for a while by using homeopathic medicine, and I don't believe in that stuff. But this seems to use real medicine, so kind of interesting. Wyndly provides convenient, affordable way to fix your allergies forever. Healthcare system invented by providing allergy sufferers weekly allergy shots to maximize revenue. Yeah, so most of the allergy industry is about giving you a weekly allergy shot to maximize revenue, even though more convenient, safer, affordable treatment has existed. Oral at-home immunotherapy, seeing opportunity for a superior solution for patients. He teamed up. It's a family business, online allergy practice that offered the highest quality care to patients across the country. They were in Y Combinator 2021, so this likely came about because of the illness. And why Sweater invested. It's ripe for disruption. I agree. Traditional allergist training, insurance, incentives, yeah. Weekly clinic shots, 3 to 5 year full treatment, top care for patients, whether they move, sitting waiting room. Yeah, no needles, no shots. Well, I mean, the kind of shots I like are not medically made. They have the highest quality of care available, founder market fit, Y Combinator's in here, and some other big companies there. Thousands of patients, 1.2 million organic video views. Let's see where that is. And available in 48 states, the continental United States, Alaska, and Hawaii. Let's look at Crunchbase real quick, because this is really, really, really kind of new. You can see the last round of funding, which we'll take a look when that was. The last round of funding was literally last week or 2 days ago was the last round of funding. So they're still in a seed round. I bet you Sweater's going to be here. Yep, Sweater's right there. So could have found this a few days early if I was checking on Crunchbase. Hold on, just for giggles. What other things are we not talking about that are showing here? No, everyone other than that and Wyndly are actually there, so there's nothing else new there. No, not Sweater. Number of partners. So yeah, brand new money raise, $2 million total funding amount, which is brand new. So we're getting some good ideas, some good, and you'll see, oh, we've got Cash's name there. Yay! Cash. You see, his rank's not that high yet. I think his rank's going to go up there because Sweater's just hitting it out of the ballpark with a lot of these companies. Total funding rounds 2, total funding amount $2 million. We are very, very, very early here, but what you'll notice, something that's kind of a negative, I'll be honest with you. If you do look on Crunchbase, you'll usually see monthly visit growth go up. Monthly visits growth has gone down month over month. Take that as you will. Mostly from the US and Saudi Arabia are taking a look at what's going on, but you can kind of see those monthly visits have shrunk a little bit there month over month. Well, not a little bit, a lot of it there. But it's kind of an interesting company. So let's look at, they said 1.2 million views. I want to know where that 1.2 million views is. Don't really see 1.2 million views unless that's 322,000 views. I'd just like to, I show this live. I'm doing my research. 1.2 million organic video views. Unless that's coming from somewhere that's not YouTube. But let's watch their main YouTube video, their main one on their home screen, and kind of look at how they pitch to their end customers. Because again, we're the investors. If you're looking from a Sweater side, you're looking from an investor side, but I want to see how they pitch to the customers. One of the nice things is, and I might even try this. I don't know what it costs yet. We're going to go on their website and see what it costs. I can't actually share this with you right now, but Wyndly has actually given us a discount code in the app. I got an email about that. Yeah, 20% off an allergy test ends March 1st. So I might go through the process and see if they can find my allergen to cats. So we'll see what that all costs and everything. But let's look at the introducing Wyndly, and then we're going to take a look at some competitors. We're going to take a look at their website. We're going to see how much things start to really cost. I like it on the baseline.
People think that allergies are a chronic disease and that they just have to get stuck using Most people think.
Yep. Whenever I see a cat, whenever I deal with a cat, I'll take a lot of Benadryl.
Most people think that allergies are a chronic disease and that they just have to get stuck using antihistamines or nasal sprays for the rest of their life. I'm Manan Shah. I'm one of the co-founders of Wyndly Health. I'm also an ENT and allergist in Denver, Colorado. ENTs have been using allergy drops to fix people's allergies for years. Allergy drops work by strengthening your immune system naturally. Early on, they were only available in major academic hospitals, but I've been using them in my practice for years. We built Wyndly Health, the first patient-centered allergy practice, to give everyone access to this potentially life-changing treatment in the most convenient way. We let you meet with one of our allergy specialists from the comfort of your couch, and then we come up with a personalized allergy plan to get you feeling better. Based on your allergy triggers, we create a personalized treatment plan that you can take from home. We will send your treatments right to your door, and our specialists will work with you from the day you start to the day you get relief. With Wyndly Health, our hope is to get you breathing better, and we want to strengthen your immune system so you feel better and have less allergies. So we'd love to get you started today.
All right, so let's see if we can figure out. They've got a nice number of subscribers. Again, I'm not sure where that 1.2 million organic views are coming from. Let's just see if we can find that out, because the only other place I can think it would be is maybe Instagram? Maybe Twitter? Let's take a look. Not a huge number. That's the one thing, because when I see something listed as a pro, I kind of like to know, where the heck it comes from. Twitter has 127 followers. It's the one thing that I'm kind of confused on. I keep to go back to 1.2 million organic video reviews. It might be worth me shooting Twitter an email and seeing where they're getting that from, because I don't see them anywhere, which is a little bit concerning. Let's just see if we can find. We got Reddit, which I'm happy they're on Reddit, Twitter, YouTube. I'm just wondering where that actually comes from there. This video was posted 4 weeks ago. Let's just see some of their most popular videos. I love that they're focusing on education. Because I think that it's kind of a very Apple approach. If you know anything about Apple, Apple doesn't actually want to sell you anything. Apple just wants to teach you about their products, teach you about solutions that their products have. And, if you like the solution, if you have that problem, you're going to buy the product without them doing, oh, look, how much does an allergy test cost? Let's look at this baseline. This is actually just 1 second longer than a YouTube Shorts allowed to be. And then we're going to go to their page. We're going to see what they cost and see if it's transparent. Because, if I wanted to get this allergy treatment, I don't even know what it costs right now. I know I got a 20% off coupon code from an allergy test, which I can't share with you. Only if you're a Sweater Ventures investor do you get that code. But let's just take a look.
How much does an allergy test cost? A lot of people want to know what an allergy test costs, and it can be confusing. There's so many variables to take into account. The first variable is, what is the contract your doctor has with your insurance company? The second variable is, how much does your particular insurance plan cover? And then you have to think about your deductible, because even if it covers X amount, you may have to hit your deductible before it covers it. So it can be really confusing. The good news is, in terms of ballparks, if you're getting a skin prick allergy test at a local physician's office, it's going to cost somewhere between $300 to $500. Sometimes it can be more, but in general, that's a good range. If you're getting allergy blood testing done at a local lab like Quest Labs or LabCorp, in general, it can be anywhere between $100 of a copay all the way up to $1,000. So it can be kind of expensive. And then there are finger prick home allergy tests, and those tend to be cheaper because your doctor can control the cost and can often sell them to you for an upfront cost. Ultimately, you want to work with a doctor you trust, and you want to try to figure out your allergies using both an allergy test, but also a consultation with a doctor to figure out if that test result actually makes sense with your allergy history.
Interesting. I really like a lot of this content they have. I will tell you, I'm just talking to the founders here. Hey, if you want to have a chat, No Pants Profits is totally down. This guy seems like a nice guy here. How to use an EpiPen, what causes ear pain, what is a histamine. They have these really good shorts. And I think those really good shorts, and they're being used over on Instagram, which is kind of where they belong. They're being used over on, I hate to say TikTok, but TikTok, 3 things to know before allergy shots. How do you get rid of seasonal allergies? Yeah, this is some great friggin' content, I have to say. So let's jump to their actual webpage, understand what they do. We've taken a look at their business. We could take a look at some of their competitors. And so let's just see kind of who they... Why is Wyndly headquarters? It's in New York City. Context, similar companies. Let's just look at similar companies. Drops is a powerful cleaning from nature. That does not seem to be what it is. Palo Santo Fun. Psychedelics. Oh, God. Psychedelic drugs. Law and Love. Okay, I don't think these are really related. Let's just look at Drops. What do they do? Keeps growing. Direct-to-consumer model. What do they actually do? I want to look and just kind of see where they're at. Powerful cleaning. It's actually kind of interesting. The bottles look similar and stuff like that, but they have nothing to do with allergy. So, who else is still in the allergy partners? Specialty practice, specialty practice, specialty practice. Pharmaceutical companies. Nothing really unique. Okay, so now let's jump to their webpage. I don't want this to be too long. And $99 a month, no surprise copays. See exactly what it looks like. Sure. I'm not going to put in my email. But yeah, let's do it. All right. Let me jump over here. So we'll send it to nopantsprofits@gmail.com. Oh, and I get $10 off. I'll give him. All right. And check your email for our CEO's allergy report. We'll see if we can see what the CEO's allergy report looks like, because I think that's useful. So we'll check the email in a minute. But let's see. Treat Me Now, $99 a month. Retrain your immune system. How it works. They identify your allergy triggers, get treated by a real doctor, live better without symptoms. Buy an allergy test or share your existing allergy test. So if we wanted to buy an allergy test, now this is the thing that Sweater Ventures investors are getting 20% off. I've got that. So it's usually $3.99, $2.49. I wonder what the 20% off is from. But take our easy at home out. Your doctor, your medications arrive at your door. We'll check in. Oh, kit plus consultation plus test review, and we can kind of take a look at a verified patient. Let's just kind of see what Alex says.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a Wyndly customer. I've been using it for several months now. I'm a longtime allergy sufferer. I'm 37 years old now. I've had really bad allergies since the age of like 4 or 5. As an adult, the way it manifested was being very tired through spring and summer, to the points that I felt like I was kind of walking around in a daze if I was in.
I've always had horrible allergies, and nothing really helped. Antihistamine pills like Zyrtec, Allegra, and I've tried them all. None of them really did anything for me. And while I considered allergy shots, it wasn't really a fit for my lifestyle. I'm too busy. I don't have time to go into the doctor.
Let's see this guy.
Hi, I'm Joe. I was one of the early Wyndly users. I was so excited to find it because allergies have been just a pest in my life for years, and never bad enough to want to do years of allergy shots, but always annoying. And the drops have just been such a great solution for me. It was such an easy process to do my little test and get the drops, and I've been doing it for 5 months now, maybe 4 or 5 months, and it's unbelievable.
Interesting. So, if we go to learn, see if there's FAQs. My question is, does insurance cover this? What is the cost of the ongoing therapy? So it costs $99 a month, no additional surprises or copays. You can use your FSA. The subscription covers your physician care, access to an allergist, medicines shipped straight to your door. They begin to see initial release, lock in these benefits, allergy therapy for 3 to 5 years. So you could kind of do that math. We're looking at, it's a couple $1,000s overall. It's a couple $1,000s. You can skip ahead if you have an existing allergy test that's less than 2 years old. They'll review it and get start treatment right away. Can you switch? How quickly can I get started? How long does it take to review? What do I know? How do you know what I'm allergic to? Cat dander. Oh, tested. Okay, our test detects the 40 most common indoor and outdoor pets. Cat dander, dog dander, horse dander. Yep, that's funny. Grass and shrub pollen. So yeah, I got the. And others could have to do with. I don't think anything there has to do with chalk. So they got a great FAQ. Do you accept insurance? They are currently cash only. That is important to understand the growth. They don't actually accept insurance right now. They're here for all your questions. What is your refund and return? Take the allergy test. You're not fit from our treatment. Look, that's kind of cool. If you take the test and you're not fit, they're always willing to accommodate you. You never be received. Let's take a look. I should have gotten an email by now. I want to open up the email because I really want to see, what they're going to provide here in the testing side of things. So I did ask for the CEO's allergy report, and I don't yet have it, so I can't show it to you right now. But I wish I could, but it hasn't come through yet. Let's just see what else we've got here. FAQ. So yeah, they have phone numbers. They have the FAQ. So let's go to learn. Am I a candidate? I'm ready. Let's start with the basics. Have I previously taken an allergy test? I have not. What health goals do I want to do? Not sure. Or maybe enhance overall health and wellness. What am I allergic to? Cats. Probably. I'll go with the grass. What allergy symptoms do you suffer from? See a runny nose, watery eyes, post-nasal drip, yeah. I share way too much. How often do I take antihistamines? Rarely, because I try and avoid things that I know I'm allergic to. How effective are antihistamines? They sometimes work, but they get me super sleepy. Almost done. I'm doing great. Have I ever used prescription allergy medication? No, I have not. Have I ever been diagnosed with... I can't even pronounce endostaphic elostretches or mast cell dysfunction. I'm going to say no. What state are you in? I am in Florida. I'm in Florida. What can we call you? No pants. PROFITS. Yep, let's go. No pants profits. What is my email? We'll go no pants profits at Gmail. Make sure nothing weird showed up there. What is my phone number? Unfortunately, I'm not giving you all my phone number because I'm pretty much in a funnel right now. If you know anything about a sales funnel, this is a sales funnel, but I'm okay with that because it's actually a product I might use it. Do you want to sign up for Wyndly Text? Why not? All right. So, congratulations, No Pants Profits. You're a candidate for lifelong allergy relief. From what you shared, we could train your body to beat allergies. Dr. Sai could tell you more in this short video. First, we need an allergy test. Let's just...
Hey, I'm Dr. Manan Shah. I'm an ENT
allergist
and the Chief Medical Officer at Wyndly. Sublingual immunotherapy is a clinically proven method of providing long-term allergy relief. It works by using a once-a-day oral medication that exposes your body to small doses of what you're allergic to until you become desensitized and you feel better. Our physicians use your allergy test.
It almost seems like homeopathy. I really hate to say it, but it almost seems like homeopathy, but you know.
To create a personalized allergy treatment plan using sublingual immunotherapy. We ship these medications to your door, and then we check in with you routinely throughout your treatment protocol until you achieve long-term allergy relief. We'd love to get you started.
Interesting. It's something I might look into actually doing. And if I wanted to get personalized results, bet you it's going to try, it's going to try and do me an at-home allergy test. So we'll have to see. It's just not something I'm going to order while we're on a video right now. I do actually have an HSA that's got some money in it that I might be able to actually use the money from the HSA, get myself an allergy kit and see what's going on. This could be an interesting video, but you request the test, you take an hour, you request the test, you take the test, and you receive your personalized allergy profile, and doctors will interpret your allergy profile and create a customized treatment plan. What we fix: runny, stuffy noses, sinus congestion, itchy, watery eyes, sneezing, coughing, headaches, poor sleep from pet dander, grass and weed pollen, dust and mold, and tree pollen. And honestly, I didn't even know that. I mean, I would assume they would do cats, but yeah. As I said, I've not done much look on my allergies. I like to show people this looks to be very, very interesting. You take an allergy test, you're not a fit for a treatment, or refund your allergy test 100%. You know what? Might look into it. Let's see if there's any documentation on this. Let's see. I mean, here, look. Wyndly Health. Let's see if there's anything made not by Wyndly. It's kind of interesting that there's...
Hey, my name is Nathan, and...
nothing here not made by Wyndly. Which is, okay. Learn more about Purex. And it's not... yeah. So how strip allergies work. It's kind of a very interesting Wyndly review. No one's really done a review of this outside of the stuff that Wyndly itself is providing. And this is the first of the more complex, more invested products that's really in Sweater's portfolio. I'm not talking about like a box of wine or, some of the other stuff that I've bought, the IQ bars, the other ones like that I bought. This is one that I actually need. So I don't need a skin test or anything like that, but I am allergic to cats. And like I said earlier in this video, I'm in my mid-30s. Most ladies in their later 20s to mid-30s that are single, they have cats. It's a big limiting factor. So maybe, just maybe, Wyndly can open up my dating pool a little bit. And I know that sounds crazy, but I like kind of where this is headed and everything like that. And I do have to say, I am loving all of the Sweater investments so far. And the thing is, when you get into something like Sweater, I think the important thing is you don't really choose what the investments are. You have to trust the team and you have to trust the vision. And I'll tell you, they really haven't let me down yet. The only one that I was a little bit questionable on was, here, we'll jump back. We'll jump to my phone screen. The only one in the portfolio I was a little bit questionable on was Shappy. Which is a shipping service that's pretty much mules, like drug mules, but for technology, bringing things to the developing nation. And it was really designed for people that speak that language right now. I had a whole discussion with Sweater, and I'm cooled down on that, to be honest with you. There are a couple I don't really look. The one I don't really understand. I don't understand Francis Valentine. I understand nothing about that because I don't believe in fashion. I believe in $10 Hawaiian shirts. But I really like what's going on here. So you know what? I'm going to round myself up while I'm here. Let's just round it up another, Let's buy a couple more shares. I'm going to select my bank account. You do have to still pay that little $2 fee, which is kind of annoying. I know I've done this with you guys before, but I'm going to round myself up to $25,000 there, and I've got $500 pending that's going in right there. I am really excited for the barn burner they've got going up. I've actually recommended some friends to join the barn burner that are businesses and things like that. But I really kind of love what's going on, and you can see if you look at the NAV or the value of the history, it keeps going up over time, which I hope it keeps going up, because I mean, we went from $20, it was 20 for a long time, all the way up to $20.36. And that might not seem like much, but while the rest of the market's falling, Sweater keeps you warm, keeps you feeling good, because this is really, venture is kind of immune to what's going on in the bigger market, although interest rates do play a factor in there as well. This is Richard from No Pants Profits. If you got any questions, concerns, comments, leave them in the comment box down below. I really think that Wyndly might be right for me to try. So I think I might, after this, order that little allergy test, and we'll do a video of it together and go through what's going on. This is Richard from No Pants Profits, reminding you that when you wear no pants like I do, there's only one thing you got left to lose. And you know what that is? That's your shirt. Have a great one!